Hello and welcome to this video about poster design. So what is a poster all about? A poster is a visual presentation of information. It should immediately grab attention and its message should be understood in one glance without any need for verbal commentary. Let's see some guidelines for designing a poster. First of all, there must be a solid concept to work with. A poster is not just a work of art, so it has to have a purpose. Use the elements of design to compose the poster, keeping in mind the principles of design. Also pay attention to the colors used, that is, whether the color schemes and psychology are used well. Include techniques such as color blending and shading. Use basic shapes over complicated forms, and finally, keep in mind the typography to be used. We can understand these guidelines better by having a look at some examples. In this question, we need to use only the forms of moon and monochromatic colors to create a 2D composition. You can see that the concept of space and space research are shown. Everything, including the rocket and satellite, are created with the forms of moon. Also observe the use of colors. In this question, forms of bulb had to be used. However, this composition will not fetch much marks, although it looks aesthetic and follows the principles of design. Even the colors are used properly. The main problem is that there is no concept. Without a proper concept, the poster has no purpose and meaning. Now have a look at this composition created for the same question as before. Here the concept is that a chandelier sort of lighting is created using different bulbs and colors. Here you can see the use of lines, an element of design to portray the figure of Hulk, along with typography to support it. In these kinds of questions, such as promotion of blood donation, the poster must encourage the viewers. So do not show things like syringes and blood packets, which makes people uncomfortable. Also, observe that emphasis, a principle of design, is used effectively to convey the message. First, we see the hands, which are the dominant element, followed by the blood droplets, and finally the small hearts in the background, which become the subordinate elements. In questions where the number of shapes to be used are very specific, we could try to devise a concept that utilizes all the shapes provided, rather than doing it the other way around. Here, the concept of Amazon delivery services was taken. However, the proportions are incorrect. The focus is split between many dominant elements. That is, there is no one thing which stands out. And this is what it looks like when the proportions are corrected. This is an example to show you what difference the principles of design make. This example demonstrates the use of balance. Observe that both horizontal and radial symmetry are used. In this question about a poster promoting Startup India, you can see how only basic shapes and primary colors are used to depict the theme of startup. This is a poster on gender equality. Observe the use of a complementary color scheme to communicate the same. Space, which is one of the elements of design, is used to create depth and interest in the composition. The question here was to design a cover for a dictionary. Observe the sole use of typography to depict it's a dictionary. As you can see, just like basic shapes, the placement of words is also guided by the principles of design. This example here is to show how different materials like newspapers and threads can be used to create a composition. Now, let's see how to approach a poster or a graphic design question. The first step is to generate a concept, around which the whole poster will be based. To generate an idea, we can make use of a technique called as mind mapping. So let's say the question is a poster based on music. Start by writing down the word music. Then, we can come up with words that go with it, such as rhythm, beats, instruments, etc. Then, select a few keywords around which the concept can be created. In this case, the keywords are clouds, dreamy, waves, instrument, and heart. Next, come up with rough sketches showing different concepts. Make a minimum of 3. Then, select one of the sketches for refining. Preferably avoid using the first idea, as others might have thought about it too. Then we can decide the color scheme. In this case, the concept was that music provides happiness and heartbeat is in sync with the music waves. So, a dreamy color scheme can go well with this idea. The soft evening colors such as peach and yellow were taken along with red for the heart. We could use blue instead of the peach to make use of the primary color scheme. However, it wouldn't be as effective to depict the concept. We can then finalize the details such as using gradients, borders, etc. This is what the final result looks like. Alright, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.